Hello, today we will guide you through how to change your name on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to start an official name change request using the Trading 212 platform. Because your legal name is tied to identity checks and financial regulations, you can't simply edit it in a profile field. The change needs to go through their support team via a request form. We'll keep this clear and straightforward. Begin by opening Trading 212 in your browser or on the mobile app. If asked, sign into your account so you can access all menu options. Once you're in, look for the three horizontal lines at the top of the screen. That's the main menu. Tap or click it to open the full list of sections available to you. Now scroll down through the menu until you reach the support area. Select Contact Us. This will take you to the Help Center request page where you can submit a formal query to the team responsible for account changes. On the request page, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to choose a category related to account details or personal information. Pick the one that best fits a name change so your ticket is routed correctly. Pay attention to any guidance about documentation. Regulated brokers commonly require proof such as a government-issued ID or an official name change document. If the form provides an option to attach files, upload the requested documents there. If not, the team can request them after you submit. In the subject field, enter a short, clear line indicating what you need. For example, request to change account name. Keeping it concise helps support understand and prioritize your query. In the description box, write your full request. Be polite and specific. Include the name currently shown on the account, the correct new name, and a brief reason for the change, such as marriage or legal update. Do not include passwords or full identification numbers. Only provide the details the form requests to verify your profile, and make sure the spelling and formatting of your new name match your official documents exactly. If the page displays a reference number, include it in your message for easier tracking. When everything looks accurate, select Submit. You should see a confirmation that your message has been received. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates from the Trading 212 team, and reply in the same thread if they ask for additional information. Processing times can vary, but clear details and promptly supplied documents usually help speed things up. That's it. You've submitted your name change request on Trading 212. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your update.